Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for Dropoff. To sign up and create a new account and get started with Dropoff, the first thing to do is to get to the official homepage. Go ahead and launch open a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in dropoff.com and search. Once you got to the official website for Dropoff, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner. Now, in the sign in area, if you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign into your account. But if you want to create a new account, click on create new account/login option at the bottom. Now enter your customer ID. Your customer ID will be provided to you by your company if it has previously set up an account. Simply go ahead and type in your customer ID and then go to the username tab and type in a username for yourself. Also make sure to type in your first name, last name, email address and phone number. Now create a password for your account, which you will be using every time you sign into Dropoff. Verify your password by re-entering it again on the next field and finally click on I'm not a robot and submit. You will need to confirm and verify your email address. Go ahead and verify your email by entering the one-time password if prompted and you will be able to create a new account for Dropoff. So that is how it's easily done. All you need to do is to fill in the forms and you will be inside. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.